Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. I know it's been a long time since I've done a nail video and I'm so sorry, but today's video is a review on the Melody Susie Scarlet Nail Drill. They were kind enough to send me this nail drill a while back and I'm just now getting around to using it, to be completely honest, because I have a lot going on, so I do apologize for the delay. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys everything that they sent me in this packaging, and I will also link everything down below. Melody Susie has been around for 11 years and right now they're having their 11th year anniversary sale, so I'm going to tag the link down below. There's a lot of items that are up to 70% off. They did want me to mention that, and the sale is valid until the 31st of October. So I'm going to tag my code down below, but you'll get 8% off on top of the discount. So that's just a little bit about them. They're like some of the pioneers in like the nail company as far as nail drill. They've been around for 11 years and they are constantly like working on stuff that is easy to use. So of course I wanted to try this out on an acrylic nail set that I did a while back, just to see the strength of the nail drill. So the kit came with some drill bits, it came with an adapter cord, it came with a foot pedal, and it also, it came with a jack, like a socket thing. Sorry if I'm all over the place. I'm trying to do this in online school with the kids, so forgive me. But you guys see everything, and like I said, it'll be linked down below if you need more information, because your girl is still new to the nail world. So this is just me unboxing everything for the first time, and I like the fact that it has a little on and off button. Another thing I like is the fact that this nail drill is very quiet. It's not very noisy. The other one I have isn't noisy as well, but I just don't like a very, very noisy nail drill. Now this drill gets very, very fast. It goes all the way up to 30,000 RPM. And I didn't even cut it all the way up in this video, guys, but I literally shaved some acrylic off this nail hella fast, like super fast. So I'm just showing you guys some of the sanding bands they sent me along with some of the drill bits. I'm just gonna go in with one that I think that will be best to remove some of this acrylic. And I'm also gonna use it to shave off the gel polish and to also cut this acrylic nail down. They said that it's good for that, so I'm gonna test it out on all of those aspects. So I'm gonna plug her in and give her a run. As always, I will tag everything down below. Before I forget to mention, on the back, you plug in the foot pedal. There is something to plug in the handpiece. There's a DC socket for the adapter, and then there's a forward and rewind button, so that way you can change the direction of the nail drill. So I'm going to plug her in and we're going to start playing around with her. And I will zoom in a little bit closer just so you guys can see the settings that I use, but literally I just started from low to high, and every time I cranked the setting up, I just went to the next setting. And like I said, I didn't go all the way up to 30,000 RPM just because I'm still a new nail tech and I know that it can get super hot and I could really cause some damage, and I was not trying to embarrass myself on camera. So I'm gonna plug it in and watch me work. Last thing I forgot to mention, this nail drill normally retails for about $73. And right now it's on sale for $52. So it's normally $72.99. Right now it's on sale for $51.99. And be sure to use the coupon code that I will link down below just to get a couple extra dollars saved off if you want to try out this nail drill. So this is just my first impressions, and I'm going to go ahead and use this. I know I've been rambling. I'm so sorry. I just want to make sure I don't forget any details that they want me to mention. But yeah, let's get to work. So just a friendly reminder, I'm starting off at 3,000 RPM, and then I'm just going to work my way up. Every time I stop and turn it up a notch, I'm just going up to the next level. I can't remember if it was like 4,000 or 5,000, but I'm just slowly, gradually working my way up just to see how powerful this drill will be. And this is a super freaking powerful nail drill. First impressions, I'll definitely use this to take off my gel polish because I hate soaking my nails. This is the easiest way to get them off, and it takes a lot less time. Also, for acrylics, when I want to shave them down and start a new set, which I plan on doing very soon, I'm going to use this to take these nails off completely, so that way nothing is going to take me forever. And just look how easily this is coming off, guys. Like, I was sitting here like, okay, so now we got this thing all the way up into 25K RPM, I believe, or 20K. Please forgive me if I'm off a little bit, but I don't remember the settings off the top of my head, and I'm struggling trying to squint and look at this. But it's not at 30,000 per se, but it's right before that. And this was shaving the hell out of the acrylic. Like, the acrylic was flying everywhere. I'm like, okay, this is the real deal. When you use this drill on a higher setting, you just want to make sure that you are not overheating your client's fingernail or your finger. So just be careful how you touch it. Don't let it sit for a long period of time. The only reason why I was able to do this is because it's a fake hand, but I would never do this on an actual client because you would burn the hell out of them, and you don't want to do that. This drill was working so well. When I tell you I was shaving this acrylic off in no freaking time, guys. And you just want to make sure that also when you shave down the acrylic like this, because it's such a high rate of speed, the acrylic that flies off is super hot. So I did have a couple pieces that flicked on me, and I was like, so I'm still learning, but just be careful. Make sure you have on like a mask or something protective, or you don't have like shorts on like I did, because when that first little piece hit me, I thought I was going to die. So yeah. This is pretty much it for my review. I'm just going to show you guys how I shave this down and how it looks. And then I'm just going to clean it up with another bit, I believe. And that concludes the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have to tend to Ava because she's in the background trying to talk to me. And shout out to Melody Susie. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.